Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Mechanical Notes. Today we will discuss important questions of mechanical engineering. The first question is: the energy of the isolated system is always a constant which is given by the options are zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, third law of thermodynamics, and law of stable equilibrium. The answer is first law of thermodynamics. Let us discuss the answer. Isolated system. An isolated system is a thermodynamic system that cannot exchange either energy or mass outside the boundaries of the system. So, change in energy is equals to 0 and change in mass is equals to 0. So, from the first law of thermodynamics, energy of the isolated system will be remain constant. Move to the second question. A series of operations which takes place in a certain order and restore the initial conditions at the end is known as. Options are reversible cycle, irreversible cycle, thermodynamic cycle, none of these. The answer is thermodynamic cycle. Let us know what is thermodynamic cycle. Thermodynamic cycle is a series of operations which takes place in a certain order and restore the initial condition at the end. Move to the next question. Heat and work are. The options are intensive cycle, extensive cycle, point functions, path functions. Let us know the answer. The answer is path function. Path function magnitude depends on the path followed during the process as well as the end states. Point function magnitude depends on state only and not how the system approaches that state. The next question is: what are the properties of a thermodynamic system which value for the entire system is equal to the sum of their values for individual part of the system? The options are thermodynamic properties, extensive properties, intensive properties, specific properties. The answer is extensive properties. What is extensive properties? Extensive properties of matter that changes as the amount of matter changes. Examples are volume, enthalpy, entropy, etc. An intensive property is a local physical property of a system that does not depend on the system size or the amount of material in the system. Examples are pressure, temperature, refractive index, etc. Our next question is: consider the following properties. First, temperature. Second, viscosity. Third, specific entropy. Fourth, thermal conductivity. Which of the above properties of the system are intensive? The answer is all of the above properties are intensive properties. Our next question is: an open system. The options are: is a specified region where transfer of energy and or mass takes place, is a region of constant mass and only energy is allowed to cross the boundaries. C. Cannot transfer either energy or mass to or from the surrounding, has an enthalpy transfer across its boundaries, and the mass within the system is not necessarily constant. The answer is: an open system is a specified region where transfer of energy and or mass takes place. Our next question is: match the following. Here, on one side, closed system, open system, pump, turbine, and nozzle. These options are given. On the second side, the options are increase in static pressure, increase in kinetic energy, heat, mass, and work interact, heat and work interact, deliver works. The answer is closed system is related to heat and work interact, open system, heat, mass, work interact, pump, increase in kinetic static energy, turbine, deliver works, nozzle, increase in kinetic energy. Our next question is the law which provides the basis of temperature measurement is third law of thermodynamics, zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics. The answer is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Our next question is which of the following is the extensive property of the system? Options are volume, pressure, temperature, density. The answer is volume. Our next question is pressure exerted by a gas in a closed container is. Options are weak function of density and temperature, weak function of density and volume, strong function of density and temperature, strong function of density and volume. The answer is strong function of density and temperature. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you all. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. Thank you.